Hey guys, in this class, we're going to go over your profile and what information pulls over that you need to edit inside of for your kvCORE. The number one is going to be if you come up to your remax.net, you're going to go update your profile. When we have the profile overview, it gives all your information. First thing, you're going to go into your general information. This is your name, how it's displayed. The job title is going to be right underneath of your name on your website header. So if you want that to say realtor, go ahead and put that, change it, whatever you want it to be. That's your job title that pulls underneath your header. So change that. Then what we're going to do is come over to contact information. Make sure all of your social profiles are in here. So just go add. It'll only let you add one for each option. So go ahead and add all those in. Those will pull into those little bubbles at the top of your website. So make sure those actually work and that you have those full. The next one is going to be your mobile phone number. Make sure a lot of agents have direct. They use direct in this option. You want to make sure to make sure you have the mobile phone number in here because that is going to be on all of the marketing that is sent out, including the CMAs and everything else. If you have it under direct and you don't have it under mobile, the smart number for your entire office is going to be what pulls in instead. And we don't want consumers thinking they're calling your cell phone because they will be routed to whoever is next on rotation. So make sure your phone is under mobile. So those are the three big questions I get all the time. If you're a team leader, this information, you will have your team information photo on the same as a brokerage that will pull over. Just make sure your bio, everything else, that is what's going to be pulling into your kvCORE website. So make sure to go over, make sure the links are correct and everything else. Get all of that done. And that will eventually, just know it takes a couple hours for everything to sync over to get that updated on your website. Hope that helps.